Hey guys, today I'm making a tutorial on how to download and install mods, texture packs, skin packs, or anything you want to your Minecraft Xbox. For this tutorial, you will need a few things. The first thing you're going to need is this application, which is called FTP File Explorer. And you're also going to need either a mobile device or a computer. So first, I'm going to show you how to install this application on your Xbox. To do this, very simple. The first thing you want to do is just open up Microsoft Edge. Once you have this open, you want to go to this website, which is gamer without the e 13.github.io. And there's a few things that you can install here, but the application you want to install is this one called Durango FTP. To download it, all you have to do is click here where it says download app, and you will get this message, and click here where it says open. And this will take you to the Microsoft Store. All you have to do is just install this application. And there is a possibility that this app will get removed. If it does get removed, I'll make an updated video and I'll leave that in the description. Once you've installed this app, then all you want to do is just open it. And here you don't really need to change any of these settings. All you have to do is just go down here where it says start. And then on the right side where it says Xbox local, right below that will be an IP address. You're going to need that. Mine is 192.168 and then two other numbers. Make sure you remember that number. And for the next part, I'll be doing this on a mobile device, but I will also show you how to do this on if you're doing this on a computer. So if you guys want to skip ahead to the different times, I'll leave all the times in the description if you want to skip ahead to a different part of the video. So once you're on your mobile device, if you're on Android, the first thing you want to do is open up the Play Store and look for this application called RS File. There's a few other applications that you can use, but this is the one I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And if you're on iOS, I'll also leave a link to an application that you can use in the description. But if you are on Android, you just want to download and install this app. Once you have it installed, then just hit open. And then the first thing you want to do is go on the left side where it says network, and you want to click on this. And then click where it says FTP. Then you want to go down here on the right side and click on this cross and then hit new. And then here select FTP. And where it says server, this is where you want to type in the IP address that was on your Xbox. For me, it's 192.168.254 and 57. And this will be different for everyone, so yours might look a little bit different. And then you want to go down and here where it says anonymous, you just want to click on that. Once you've done all that, then just hit OK. You should get a folder with the IP address, but like I said, yours will probably look a bit different than mine. Once you've done that, then all you want to do is open up your web browser. And once you have your web browser open, you can go to any website to download your mods, skins, texture packs, or anything. But something very important is that everything that you download has to be made for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If it was not made for Minecraft Bedrock, it will not work. A lot of people always ask me if you can install Java mods on Xbox. They will not work. They are not compatible. So just make sure everything was made for Minecraft Bedrock. For that reason, the website that I'm going to be using is mcpdl.com. So everything here is compatible with Xbox. But I will also leave a link to a few other websites that you can use in the description. But if you are using mcpdl, all you want to do is just go down and look for any mod, skin, or texture pack that you want. And just an example, first I'm going to show you how to install this add-on, but you could choose any add-on that you like. So for me, if I'm going to download this one, I just click on it and then it will take you to the creators page. This is the creator, and here you'll find the description of how the add-on works. I would recommend you read all the information about the add-on that you're downloading, because sometimes they do require you to activate a specific experimental feature in order for it to work, and it should tell you this in the description of the add-on. Or if it has recipes, all the recipes will be here. But to download, you just want to go all the way down and you want to look for this that says downloads. But sometimes it will only require you to download one file. This one requires me to download two. So since this one requires two, first I'm going to download the behavior pack. So I'm just going to click on that. And then it's going to take you to this page telling you that you're leaving NCPDL. You just want to click here where it says continue. And this one took me to a Linkvertise link. If it takes you to Linkvertise, this means it is going to have some ads. This is how some of the creators make their money. But they're very easy to skip. So if you do get a Linkvertise link, let me show you how to skip it. So all you have to do is just go down. And you want to look for this that says free access with ads. You just want to click on that. And then you just want to go down. And sometimes it will require you to do only one thing, or sometimes it will require you to do two things. This one requires me to do two, but they're very easy. You just click on the first one, and it's just says to discover articles. You just want to hit the X, and just gotta wait for that timer to run down, and then you just want to hit X again. And you want to do the exact same thing for the other one. So here I'm just gonna click on this, hit the X, and wait for the timer to run down. Once that finishes, just close it. Once you completed the task, then you just want to click here where it says continue. And this one took me to a Mediafire link. Most of them will take you to Mediafire, so all you have to do is just click here to download it. And then you just gotta wait for it to download. It could take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your internet speeds. But then you just want to close all the tabs once that finishes. And you want to do the exact same thing for the resource pack. So you just want to click on that, click continue. And this one also took me to a Linkvertise link. So all I have to do here is the same thing again. Just go down, click where it says free access with ads, then go down again, and then just complete the test. So for me, I'm just gonna click on these and wait for the timer to run down. And same thing again, once you're done, just hit continue. And this one also took me to Mediafire, so I'm just going to download this. And once you download both of them, let me show you how you install them into your Xbox. For the next step, you want to open RS files, and then you want to go on the left side where it says storage, then go to internal storage, go to wherever it downloaded your files. For me, it's in my downloads folder, so I'm just going to click on this one. And for me, it downloaded two files. One was a resource pack and one was a behavior pack. Usually if it says RE, that's a resource pack. And if it says BE, that's a behavior pack. So first I'm going to show you how to install the resource pack and then the behavior pack. So the first thing you want to do is just select one. And if it says .mcpack at the end of the name, you just want to hit rename. And you want to change the mcpack to a .zip. So remove the mcpack and change it to a .zip. And then hit OK. Once you do that, you want to select it again. Then you want to go here where it says more and then extract to. And then here you just want to click OK. And you just got to wait for this to extract the files. Then you can delete the zip file. You're not going to need it anymore. And this is the folder that it extracted. You just want to select it and you want to copy it. Once you copied it, then you want to go to network. Then go to FTP. And then here, and then select the folder that has your IP address. Then go to local folder. And look for this one that says Microsoft Minecraft UWP. Click on that one. Then go to local state, games, and then com.mojang. And inside of this folder, this is where all your behavior packs, resource packs, scans, or worlds are saved into. And the first one that I'm going to copy is the resource pack. So you just want to put it inside this folder called resource_packs. But if you don't have that folder, you just want to create it. So you want to go down here where it says new. You want to click on that and then just delete this and call it resource_packs. Exactly like this, so lowercase. And then you just want to hit OK. Once you have this folder, then you just want to open it. And here you just want to paste your resource pack. So I'm just going to hit paste. And then you just want to wait for this to finish. This could take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on how big the mod is. And now let me show you how to install the behavior pack. So you want to go back over here on the left side where it says storage, then internal storage, and then where your downloads are at. And then you want to do the exact same thing for the behavior pack. You just want to select it first, rename it if it's not a .zip. So you just want to delete this and change it to a .zip. Hit OK. Once you've done that, then you can extract it. Select it again. Go over here, go where it says more, and then extract to, and then hit OK. And you could delete this zip file. You're not going to need it anymore. It's just to save you some space on your device. And for me, this is the folder that I just extracted right now. So it's the same thing again, just copy it and then go over here on the left side again, go to network and then FTP and then exact same steps again. So go into the folder with your IP address, local folder, Microsoft Minecraft UWP, local state, games, com.mojang, and the behavior packs go into this folder called behavior_packs. Same thing again, if you don't have it, you just want to create it. So here just type in behavior_packs. This only if you don't have it. If you already have it, you don't have to do this. And then you just want to open up that folder and paste it in there. And you should be done now. Now let me show you how you install this on your Xbox. Once you're on your Xbox, you just want to click here where it says stop. And then you just want to open up your game. If it was already running, then you just want to close it and then just start the game. Once your game finishes loading, then you just want to install the add-on into whatever world you like. You could either install it to a world that already exists or you want to create a new one. So for me, I'm just going to click here where it says create. Then you want to go down here where it says behavior packs and you want to look for the mod that you just downloaded. So I just downloaded this one. So I'm just going to click here where it says activate. And then you want to do the exact same thing for the resource pack. But most of the time it will automatically install the resource pack. So this one already installed it, but just double check, make sure it installed the resource pack. And like I say, you also want to read the description on the creators page because sometimes you are required to activate a specific setting inside of the world settings. But every add-on is different, so just make sure you read that. Now let me show you how to install a skin pack. And for the skin packs, you are required to do an extra step, so make sure you watch the video. And for the skin packs, it's going to be a very similar method. So first, you just want to go to whatever website you'd like to download your skin packs from. For me, I'm going to be using MCPDL, so I'm just going to click here where it says skins, and then go where it says skin packs. And here, just select whatever skin packs you like. And just as an example, I'm going to be downloading this skin pack. So I'm just going to click on this one. And here you'll find the creator and some information about the skin pack and a preview of all the skins. And you just want to go down until you find this where it says downloads and just click on the download link and then just hit continue. And this one took me to Mega Upload. So here I'm just going to click download and then save file. Once you download your skin pack, then you just want to go back to RS file. And on the left side, go again storage, then internal storage. And then wherever you have your downloads. And this is the skin pack that I just downloaded right now. So I'm just going to select it again, rename it and change the MC pack to a .zip. Once you do that, just select it again and go to more, extract to, and extract it. Then you just want to select the folder that it extracted and you want to hit copy. Then you just want to go to network, then FTP, and then the folder with your IP address. So I'm just going to click on this one, local folder, Microsoft Minecraft UWP, local state, games, com.mojang, and all your skin packs go into this folder called skin_packs. But if you don't have it, same thing again, create the folder. So I'm just gonna call it skin_packs, all lowercase, spelled exactly like this. This is only if you don't have it. But once you have that folder, then you just want to open it up and paste your skin pack in here. And let me show you how you install this on your Minecraft Xbox, because there is an extra step that you have to take. Once you loaded your Minecraft on your Xbox, to install the skins, you just want to go to the dressing room. But if you go there right now, the skin packs will not be showing up. So none of the skin packs that I downloaded are showing up right now. The reason for that is that you do have to take an extra step on Xbox to make them work. So to do that, all you want to do is hit the guide button, then go all the way to the right side and sign out. Once you signed out, then all you want to do is just sign back into your profile. And then just wait for the game to load. Once your game finishes loading again, then you just want to go here again where it says dressing room, then go to edit character, and then go to owned, and the skin packs you downloaded should be there now. These are all the skins that I downloaded, so now you can equip them. But something very important is that skins on Xbox don't work correctly. So if you sign out of your profile again, or if you close the game, the skin packs will go away. So you have to repeat the step where you sign out of your profile and then you sign back in. You do not have to download and install the skin packs again. You just have to repeat that one step where you sign out and sign back in every time you restart your game. Now let me show you how to install texture packs and worlds. And to install texture packs, it's pretty much the exact same thing again. So you just want to, if you're using MCPDL, you just want to go here where it says texture packs. And here, just look for any texture pack that you like. It could be any texture pack, it doesn't really matter. For this example, I'm just going to be installing this one called Bare Bones Texture Packs. But like I said, you can choose whichever one you like. So I'm just going to click on this one. And here you'll find the creator and some information and a preview of the texture pack. But you just want to go down and look for the download. And once you find the download, you just want to click on it. This one is just going to be a direct download link from MCPDL. So here I just got to wait for this to load. And once this loads, I should be able to download it. Once that finishes loading, then you just want to click here where it says get downloads and then just click on the file. And they should start downloading your texture pack. And I'm also going to download a map. So if you're using MCPDL or if you want to find the map, just want to click here where it says maps. And here I'm just going to be downloading this map, but you can download whatever map you like. Same thing again, you'll find the creator here and all the information that you're going to need about the map. But to download it, you just want to go here where it says downloads and then click on the download link. And this one is also just directly from MCPDL. So I just have to wait for this to load. Once that finishes, click here where it says get downloads and then click on the file. Just wait for that file to download. Now let me show you how you install them. So for this step, you just want to open up RS file, go to storage, internal storage, and then wherever it downloaded your file. So mine downloaded to my downloads folder. So first I'm going to show you how to install the texture pack. So I'm just going to click on the texture pack that I downloaded and I'm going to rename it. If it says MC pack, change it to a .zip, click OK, and then extract it. So just hold it, go here where it says more, extract to, and then hit OK and wait for this to finish. Once it finishes extracting the folder, then you can just delete the zip file. You're not going to need it anymore. And then select the folder it extracted, hit copy, then go to network, FTP, and same thing again, the folder with your IP address, local folder, Microsoft Minecraft UWP, local state, games, com.mojang. And for the texture packs, they go inside of the resource packs folder. So you just want to open up this folder and create it. If you don't have it, then just create that folder and then just hit paste. And if they do have a lot of files, they could take a while to copy. Once that finishes, now to install World, you just want to do the same thing again and go back to your internal storage, then go to your downloads, then wherever you saved your world. For me, it's in my downloads, so I'm just going to rename this one since it's an MC World. You want to change this MC World, change it to .zip, hit OK. This turns it into a zip file, select it, and then the exact same thing again. Go here where it says more, extract to, and then hit OK. Once this finishes, you just want to select the world and copy it. And then you want to go here where it says network, then FTP, go into your folder, then local folder, Microsoft Minecraft UWP, local state, games, com.mojang. And for the worlds, you want to place them inside of this folder called Minecraft Worlds. If you don't have it, you want to create a new folder called exactly like this, Minecraft, and then Worlds with a capital W. Make sure it's spelled exactly like this or it will not work. And all you do is just open this folder and paste your world inside of this folder and just wait for it to finish. And then all you have to do is just go back to your Xbox. Once you're back on your Xbox and you loaded your game, to activate the texture pack, it's very simple. You just want to go here where it says play. And you can either do this on a new world or in an already existing world. So I'm just going to do this on a new world. And then you just want to go to your resource packs in your world settings. And you want to go here where it says my packs and look for the texture pack that you downloaded. So I downloaded this one called Bare Bones Texture Pack. And then I just hit activate. And that's all you need to do. This texture pack will now be activated in this world. And this is the map I just downloaded. But something about maps is that sometimes they will not be at the top. Sometimes they will be at the bottom. So if you have a lot of maps, sometimes they will be further down. So you just want to, if you don't see the map that you downloaded, it will just be further down. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to do this on a computer, let me show you how you do this. And if you're going to do this on a computer, same thing again. You want to open up the Durango FTP app and you want to click here where it says start. And you want to make sure you remember the IP address that is right below Xbox local. So mine is 192.168.254.57, but yours will be different. Just make sure you remember that. And the next step will be on your computer. Once you're in your computer, the first thing you want to do is just open up any folder. It doesn't really matter which one it is. And here on the left side where it says this PC, you want to right click on that and select this one that says show more options if you're on Windows 11. Then select this one that says add a network location. And here just click next. Select this one if it's not selected. Click next again. And here you want to type in the IP address that was on your Xbox. To do that, first you type in FTP and then these 2 dots and then 2 backslashes. And then the IP of your that was on your Xbox. So mine was 192.168.254.57. So yours will look different than mine. So don't type this exact one in, it will not work. And once you do that, just hit next. And if this isn't selected, you want to select here where it says log on anonymously. So select that and then hit next. And then here you could just give your folder a name. I'm just going to call it Xbox. It doesn't really matter what you call it. And then just hit next again. Once you do that, then you'll have access to the files inside of your Xbox. So what you want to do next is go here where it says local folder. Then you want to look for this one that says Microsoft Minecraft UWP. And you want to open up this folder. Then you want to go to local state, games, com.mojang. And this is where all your behavior packs, resource packs, worlds are saved or skins. And here you might not have some of these folders, but if you're missing any of these folders, you just want to create them. So if you're missing the behavior pack, just right click anywhere, go here where it says show more options and then click new and create a new folder and call it, if you're missing any of these folders, just create them. So create one that's called behavior_packs, all lowercase. Same with this one that says resource_packs. You also want to create this one. This is for your resource packs. And one that's called skin_packs, all lowercase. And this one that says Minecraft world. This is where all your worlds are saved. And this one has a capital W, but this one should already be there. Once you have all of that, the next step is you want to open up your web browser and download any add-on, map, skin, or texture pack that you want. I'm going to be using MCPDL again, just an example. First, I'm going to install this add-on, so I'm just going to click on it. And here you'll find the creator and all the information about the add-on. Make sure you read all the information. And the download will be all the way at the bottom. So here I'm just going to click download. And this one took me to the creator's website. Here, this one requires a behavior pack and a resource pack. If it requires both of them, make sure you download both. So I'm going to download the behavior pack first. And this one took me to MediaFire, so I'm just going to click here where it says download. Once you download the behavior pack, if it required a resource pack, you also want to download that. So I'm going to download the resource pack for this one. Once you downloaded the add-on that you want, then next you want to go wherever it was saved. Most of the time it's saved into your downloads. So here, this is the add-on that I just downloaded. This one required a behavior pack and a resource pack. The first thing you want to do is just rename this file. So change the MC pack, change it to a .zip. Once you do that, then you just want to right click on it and click where it says extract all and just hit extract. And once it finishes extracting, you should get a folder. This is the behavior pack. So I'm just going to copy this one into my behavior packs inside of my Xbox. So I'm just going to drop it in this one. And you just want to wait for this to finish. This might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how many files it had. Once it finishes copying all the files to your Xbox, then you can delete the zip file and the folder extracted. You don't really need these anymore. You can keep them as a backup if you want, but you're not going to need them anymore. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for the resource pack. So if it says RP, that's a resource pack. So first I'm just going to rename it and change the MC pack, change it to a .zip. And same thing again, right click on it and then extract all and hit extract. Once this finishes, since this is a resource pack, I'm going to copy it into my Xbox where in this folder that's called resource_packs. So I'm just going to get this folder and drag it into my resource packs and just wait for it to finish. And once that finishes, same thing again, you don't really need these anymore, so you can delete them or you could keep them if you want. And for any other type of file, it will be the exact same process. But if you download a skin pack, it will go into this folder called skin_packs. If you download a world, it will go into this folder, Minecraft world. So just copy your worlds into this folder. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or any problems, just let me know and I will try to help you.